iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. iDiskiTimes.co.za. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Hilal 0. CAF Champions League first match group stage. Most important thing in the CAF Champions League, you win your home matches. Junior Khanye, our analyst. What do you make of the game, sir?
Yes, sir. So justice. Keep on supporting iDiskiTV, fighting one, trying to fix South African football. I think Urulan is there's something that he need to do. I compliment his team and compliment the coaching here. But if it's broken, you need to fix it. Playing Mokoena whereby is off for me. Watching Mokoena game Orlando Pirates. Not the same as the player regularly, and it's a competition. You've got two players that are best on the bench with their position, which is Bongani Zung and Jali. Today is lost so many balls, many balls. The reason Paris sometimes didn't function in the middle is because of him. He was being confident enough, very talented. I love him. But if he's off, he's off. I think I see Khalil up, and then first half, going to the game, compliment to Mamelodi Sundowns the way they were playing. First 20 minutes, I think this team has pressed them. Let me say 15 minutes. Hilal, you can see level of coaching. First, I think 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, why this team is playing like this? I think this guy that is on the bench, Ganti, one of the favorite coach that I love. Pito Msimane Wasekong, knowledgeable, hardworking, very young. In coaching the team itself, I know quality buyer. First pressing go Sundowns at the back, I think 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Ngibuzama question ukuthi why bangakhona ukuqala noma baliqala liphinde liphunyuke baliqala liphunyuke. Yes, ngibonile ground it was a problem kuleko. Today both teams, I think slippery imvulini too much this soft. Sundowns na being abasuthi, but Sundowns go bidlala lapha ama game home games wayo. Sometimes maybe they train there baye balijwayele ground. After 15 minutes, so you could tell, I think the intensity of the game standards high. Sundowns, whereby Mkhulisi was in charge. Neoma, I think, was a problem at Sundowns. I think to this team. Neoma, I think they're talented. I think Bafana coaches, they must give the boy a chance. Team, a player, and it's after a while, that boy, their position, after Chulani Serrero, I saw Serrero, I saw similar type of player. He's similar like Serrero. Their role is Shagamnandu number 10. Because you have a rate, it was not 3. It was Lumfana Mailula, Shalil. Him supporting them. He fit both of them. The guy balance and if not, he take a shot and he target. We understand and I check another way because support playing a corner. Mkulis, we have always box to box. Mkulis give you. I came Mkulis Patukamid and Namsanje, he did wonders in terms of fetching the ball. Every time this boy was because Avila and then it become a problem to Amapot and then to Bebama Bafunuk pocket, but him become behind the middle field. Magalba by 3 light it becomes a problem. Let him lay on Angule what they did. They play trying to play like Sundowns. I think the coach will emphasize, but doesn't have those type of players. Yeah, quality. Malfigala, Lega right, but right wing forward, ne left wing forward. Ngapa right you ngati dangerous. Unfortunately, yes, technically when it comes to pick up someone very good. Maruzo yenza ga 3 ga 4, uzomthola ga 4 na. Ngoba uyenzile ga 2 ga 3. Yes, if he was, I think they ngikhuluma nge-top man striker. If yakwazi ukuheta kahle bamthole, I think bekumele ayithole itarget e1 goal. Mhlambe ngenhloko. So it didn't work Sundowns yayibona. Sundowns what they did this team when they attack. Mabafika up front. When Sundowns badlala white, uyumda 1v1 win it umda. Mabalwina kusuka bagijima neball. They baqima the momentum. And then they suck these guys when they come they play behind bafuna Mahema it becomes a threat problem. That's what Sundowns did today. Second half, I think Sundowns, truly speaking, they never created so many chances. We need to be honest. So many.
Mailula actually, he scored a legitimate goal. Very beautiful run.
Yeah, Mailula as ngisho. but namfana nje reaction yakhe mina namhlanje ngiqala ukubabona abacombine very well ngikhuluma ngoMailula na uShalile ukucombine nkulu mangithi combination ngizama ukubuza ukusho ukuthi bake badlale nje boyi2 omunye alibamba run behind him ngibabonile namhlanje bayenza if ulo beka full of choice even now mayem ukuthi ngiyashuta and he score, it doesn't just shoot. Goalkeeper save it. Alphumeli ngaphandle ushaya target. Technical is good ngapot feet. That's why Mangiti is one of the best talent as well. Ngoba he's very skillful and he often doesn't this stupid depolwin. He goes forward. And you fit ama strikers. If it doesn't fit, he score. It doesn't just shoot, he score. Ngobusha target but the goalkeeper must save it. Le ball alshaya le Mailula finisher. Good finish for Mailula. Angisazi ngithini ngomfana but not to say I don't know, he must just keep it up. I think he must remain level headed. He is going far, he's young, ukudlala lapha top ule age kuye akusi easy and it's not easy nguleko to play up front ukule height lamfana playing there I must start kanje azenzela space he wenza ama teammate wakhe badlala nge false 9 if he's playing there uyakwazi ukcreate ama teammate wakhe by holding the ball bathatha movement abanike or him making runs wide stretching defense alibuyise bakore. So credit to the boy the way he's doing, keep it up to him and I think uShalile as well he deserves to score today. He's worked so hard in terms of hard working ngiyamnika nokuthi adlale nabanye abantwana. Justin Tekmele, I think njengoba ngisho mina uRulani, he need to play sort of Jali. I think after Lumch, I love him. One of the best talent as well. But if he's off, he's off. A Pirate last week, the reason Sundowns didn't function in the middle because of him. If he doesn't fetch the ball up like Jali when he's there and try and combine immediately, pull that middle by playing, passing, play and support, Allah and the fetching, and then he talks as well, communicate. Sometimes siyazi ukuthi link umuntu link defensive midfield. So him, but not to say he played bad, but he had 2 games that game questionable. So Rulani him, you need to look at that video. Like, I'm not saying he's a bad player. He's got Andile Chal, one of the best defensive midfield in this country. You've got the quality of Zungu. You've got 2 of each choice. So play them. Yeah, so compliment to Mamelodi Sundowns. They deserve to win the game.
All right, well done, Mamelodi Sundowns. Important to win your home matches. You have Al Ahly, you have Al Hilal, and you also have Cotton Sport from Cameroon. So 1 and 2 go to the quarterfinal stages. That's after 6 matches. So it's game number 1, 5 matches to go. Next week, Cotton Sport, Mamelodi Sundowns. I think it's on a Friday. We'll find out in the fullness of time. iDiskiTV, Diski Times, World Sports Betting. Thank you for watching us.